The AudioControl EPICENTER Bass Processor dramatically enhances low frequencies in a car system by rebuilding bass that compressed music often loses, making familiar tracks sound fuller and more powerful. Its unique bass restoration circuit and para-bass equalization let you fine-tune the depth and punch of the low end, rather than just crudely turning everything louder. The included wired remote knob mounts cleanly on the dash and allows on-the-fly control of bass intensity, so you can easily match different songs and listening moods. A built-in subsonic filter and replaceable frequency chip help protect subwoofers from damaging ultra-low content while still keeping the bass tight and musical. Noise-rejecting balanced inputs and switchable configurations make integration straightforward whether you are adding it to a factory system or an aftermarket amplifier setup. When linked with compatible audio control amplifiers, the Epicenter forms a very cohesive upgrade path that delivers deep, controlled bass without sacrificing reliability or system safety.